Like, you guys are so far beyond your days. Like, it's phenomenal. So my name is Mia Mouton Renee. I am from Lake Charles, Louisiana. I have a little boutique here, a little bit of gift crossover, a lot of clothing and all that good stuff.
So first question for you, what excited you about Laundry Sauce, and what excites your customers?
So I feel like my customers are excited because I'm excited. We do carry other products, and that's fine. But Laundry Sauce has just been phenomenal. It's something I get excited about. So that's a big deal, really a big deal. And in order for something to be a big deal for your customer, it needs to be a big deal for you. They are loving the fragrance, and that is something that really sets you apart. Like, you guys are so far beyond your days. Like, it's phenomenal. The fragrances are just fragrances that we don't smell.
We love hearing that, and we're so glad your customers are loving it, and it's doing well in store, obviously. What do you think in store you're doing that is working for Laundry Sauce?
So the first thing you see when you walk in is, your beautiful packaging. You guys have done a phenomenal job laying the foundation for us as retailers to just be proud of the product in which we sell. So thank you for giving us a product to be proud of. Also, just laying down that foundation, your social media and so forth.
What are you doing outside of the store from a marketing perspective that's creating the buzz?
So social media is huge. For me, I'm going to tell the truth. I bring that to my social media. I've done some digital billboards, which has been amazing. The response has been great. I'll tell you, the Indonesian patchouli in that beautiful aqua-colored box looks amazing on a digital billboard. It's so funny that a lot of times the first sales of the day is, I come in for the sauce. Tell me about the sauce, and I'm like, let me get you sauced, girl. So I tell them all about the sauce.